Should you change your tune to supersize and grow your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with the Book of Music. You can teach yourself piano. I actually took piano lessons for years, literally years. When I was a child, my sisters and I all did. My mom insisted on it, and I don't think I can play a note. I haven't touched a piano in years. So it just goes to show you that you can do something for years and definitely not master it. So our idiom, our expression today for supersize your business is to change your tune. Now, we've talked about changing our mind. We've talked about a lot of mental well-being and mental health topics this month because that coincides with this year's Get Your Goals annual challenge. And I decided last year that it was easier to have consistent content that I'm creating every day than have totally diverse topics I'm talking about in the different groups that I create content for. So change your tune. I like this idiom. It's been around since actually the earlier version of it, sing another song, since the 1300s, when minstrels would go around and they would go from town to town, and depending on the audience, they would change the words of the song to please the audience that they were singing to. And we see this a lot in comedy. We see this a lot in different types of entertainment nowadays still. But by the 1600s, the change your tune version of this expression was being used. And it, of course, means to change the way we think about something, either our opinion, our thoughts, our beliefs, our point of view, our perspective, our mind, whatever you want to call it. It means we look at something differently than we have before. Now, I don't know about you, but there are certain things that I have consciously decided I am going to be steadfast about and not change my mind. My overall vision of where I'm taking my business and my core values and beliefs, my core ones, the ones that are core to our organization, those aren't going to change. Those are our guiding principles and guideposts to keep us consistent with what we're here to do, how we want to impact the world and make the world a better place with our business. But when it comes to other things, I do my best to be open-minded and flexible on other things that don't matter. Things that don't matter to our business and to how we serve people, I'm really flexible on. We try to meet people's needs and make sure that we're serving the people we're here to serve to the best of our ability. Guess what? Everybody's different. It doesn't mean we change our processes and everything all the time, but it also means when something doesn't make sense for the current situation, we're going to be situational in our decision and how we deal with that. We're not just going to have a set of rules and a set of regulations and everybody's going to follow them. Because I don't know about you, but that's one of the things I hate most about dealing with customer service in different companies. Well, this is just the way we do it. We're not going to give you a refund no matter what. So you died? Well, I'm sorry, you're still not going to get a refund for our coaching program because you signed up for it, and even though you're never going to use it because the person that bought it passed away, we're not going to give you a refund. That's kind of ridiculous, right? So we have to make sure that we're being flexible in different situations. So my answer to, should you change your tune when you're supersizing and growing your business? My personal answer is yes, but it's up to you to decide how you define the tune that you're singing and what you're creating in the world, and how flexible you're going to be around it. You know, I'm a huge process and systems person, but I also know that systems need to be and processes need to be continually improving in order to be effective because our world around us is always changing. All right, that's our idiom for today. Love to know your experience with it. Share in the comments below, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow. I think I already picked tomorrow's idiom. I don't usually pick a day ahead, but I'm talking about NLP in the challenge today and tomorrow, so I picked two NLP kind of related idioms for today and tomorrow. All right, have an awesome day, and I'll be with you tomorrow.